Okay, good morning. This one is a reading class. Okay, we are in week number 19, and today we are going to talk about the unit number 9. This one is the big birds. Okay, specifically, we talk about birds. Okay, for me, it's an interesting topic, it's important for all of us, and I think we learn a lot of today. Okay, let's start. This one is the chapter number 3. This one are birds, and we have a big question here, or a big idea. Why are birds special animals? Okay, and I consider that they are special because they have feathers. Okay, if you notice in the picture, we have a little bird. This is blue with white and also black. Okay, that's mean the feathers are colorful, and okay, they are very intelligent. Okay, and also they are very beautiful. I wish I had feathers like a bird. Okay, if I let me see, uh, want to be a bird. Okay, I want to have colorful feathers. Okay, green, red, yellow, etc. Similar to the guacamayas. Yes. Okay, and for that reason, the birds are special. Okay, because they have feathers, and in that form, okay, they cover the body. Okay, let's continue. This one is a unit in we talk about science, specifically the bird beaks, okay, picos, okay, de los pájaros specifically, and we have different kind of birds here. Okay, for example, we have the pelicans, we have the sparrows. Okay, the pelicans, okay, is a big bird and also is white, and in some cases has black feathers. Okay, they like to eat fish. We have the sparrow, and this one is a medium-sized bird. Okay, the feathers are black and they have a short beak. Yeah, if you notice in the picture. So first one we have the pelicans, then we have the sparrows. Okay, then we have the hummingbirds. This one is a tiny bird and it's so beautiful. Okay, and the flight, or maybe, okay, he flies very fast. Yeah, and they like to eat the nectar of flowers. Then we have the toucans. The toucan is a medium-sized bird, but the characteristic of it is that it has, okay, a long and a colorful beak. Okay, this one is special for it. So we analyze, okay, the hummingbirds and the toucans. Okay, we have four kind of birds. First one, the pelicans. Then we have the sparrows. Okay, then we have the hummingbirds, and the last one is the toucans. Okay. So let's see. Now we pass to the activity. We develop this activity in page 60. Okay, this one is the first exercise and it's part of the warm-up. Okay, what do these birds eat? Okay, we guess and match. Okay, we have, I mentioned the four kind of birds. Okay, the pelicans, the sparrow, the hummingbirds, and the toucans. Then we have the favorite food of it. Okay, or maybe of them. We have the nectar, the fruit, okay, the fish, the seeds. Okay, I help you with the first one. Okay, for example, pelicans like to eat fish. This one is the favorite food of pelicans, fish. Okay, then we have number 2 is sparrows. Okay, what do you consider is its favorite food? Maybe nectar, maybe fruit, or maybe seeds. In this case, okay, their favorite food is seeds. Okay, or are seeds. I'm sorry. Okay, so then we have the hummingbirds, and the favorite food is the nectar of a flower. Yes. And the last one, toucans. Okay, the toucans, they like to eat, okay, fruit, specifically mangoes, bananas, okay, oranges, apples, all of this one. Yes. Okay, let's make a review. Their favorite food of pelicans are fish. Okay, the favorite food of sparrows are seeds. The favorite food of hummingbirds are the nectar of the flowers. And the favorite food of toucans are fruits. Yeah, specifically the mangoes. Okay, they like to eat this kind of food. Okay, excellent. Now we pass to the keywords. In this case, we follow the lines and write the correct words. Okay, these one are part of the vocabulary that we check in the reading. We have hook, shape, sharp, pointed, seed, and also big. Okay, so hook. What is the meaning of hook? Okay, similar to a anzuelo. Yes, shape. Okay, formas o figuras. Sharp. Okay, this one is cortante. Yes, or in Spanish we say con filo. Okay, pointed. Okay, puntiagudo. Seed, semilla, and big, pico. Okay, so let's see. The number one. This one is beak. This one is a part of the body of the bird, the beak. Okay, then we have the number two, that is shape. Okay, remember in the kindergarten you play with different shape blocks. Then we have number three. Okay, this is a seed. Okay, remember you plant a seed and a long time ago you have a tree. Yes. Okay, in number four we have the hook. Yes, this one is anzuelo. Yeah, you put a little food here. Okay, and then you catch the different fish in the ocean. Then we have the next word, number five, that is sharp. And number six, that is pointed. Yeah, the darts are pointed. Okay, excellent. Let's review. Number one, big. Number two, shape. Number three, seed. Number four, hook. Number five, sharp. And number six, pointed. Remember, you follow the lines and you match with the correct vocabulary word. This one is an easy exercise. Okay, so let's see. Let's continue in page 61. Yeah, we read and choose the correct words. Okay, this one is the practice of the vocabulary. And in number one, we can eat some flour, seeds, or beaks. In this case, seeds. Okay, we can eat some flour, seeds. Number two, birds use their beaks or their wings to eat food. In this case, they use beaks. Okay, number three, the darts have dizzy or pointed ends. Pointed. Okay. Number four, people catch fish with hooks or with wicks. In this case, obviously, hooks. Okay. Number five, be careful. The knife is very flat or sharp. In this case, sharp. Okay, number six. There are many block shapes or there are many block hooks on the table. In this case, shapes. Exactly. Okay, let's review the answer. Number one, seeds. Number two, beaks. Number three, pointed. Number four, hooks. Number five, sharp. And number six, shapes. Okay, this one is the exercise number two on page 61. Okay, let's continue. Now we have a big question here. Okay, why do birds have different beaks? This one is on page 62. Okay, why do birds have different beaks? And in my opinion, it is because different beak shapes are good for eating different kind of food. Okay, imagine the pelican eats, let me see, fish. And the shape of the beak is different of the hummingbird, yeah? So for that reason, okay, they have different kind or different beaks, okay, because they eat different kind of food. Okay, let's continue. Let's start with the reading. Birdbacks. Okay, so let's see. Birds eat with their beaks. Each bird's beak shape is good for eating different kind of food. Sparrows eat a lot of seeds. They have short and thick beaks. They open the hard seed shells with their beaks. Then they eat the seeds inside. Okay, so let's see. What does it mean this one? That means the sparrow eat a lot of seeds and their beak is short and also is thick. And they use, okay, their beak for opening a shell, the shell of a seed. And then they eat the food that is inside of the shell. And for that reason, they need a beak that is short and also that is thick. Yeah, because they need to eat the food that is inside of the shell of a seed. Okay, this one is about sparrow. Now, eagles eat animals like rats and rabbits. Their beaks look like hooks, okay, como un anzuelo. They are very sharp and powerful. Eagles can eat meat easily with this beak. Okay, that's mean the eagles like to eat animal, specifically the meat, okay, of the animals, like rats and also rabbits. And for that reason, the beak of them is sharp and also powerful. Okay, let's continue. Page 63. Herons love to eat fish. Okay, they use their long pointed beaks to catch them. Hummingbirds like to drink flower nectar, and their beaks are very long and thin. Hummingbirds can easily put them inside flowers. Bird beaks are useful. Let's find other beak shapes at the zoo. Okay, in this case, we talk about the herons, so similar to the pelicans, and then like to eat fish. And their beak is long and also is pointed. Okay, the hummingbirds like to drink flower nectar, and for that reason, the beak is very long and also thin. Okay, delgado, because they need to put their beak, okay, inside of the flower, and then they like to drink the, okay, the nectar of the flower. Exactly. Okay, we have to picture here. The first one is about a heron, similar to the pelican. Okay, and the second one is a hummingbird. And we have a question here. Which beak shape do you like best and why? Okay, in my opinion, I like the long, thin beak shape of hummingbirds because it is useful for drinking sweet nectar. Okay, why? Because I like candies. Okay, I like sweet things, and for that reason I want to be a hummingbird, and also I want to have the beak of a hummingbird because it is long and also it is thin, and you can drink different sweet and nectar of the flowers. Yes. Okay, excellent job. Now we pass to the exercises. This one is in page 64. Okay, so we have the reading comprehension part. Okay, and first one we develop the exercise A. We choose the best answer. Okay, what is this passage mainly about? Okay, different types of bird beaks, the lifestyles of birds and other animals. In this case, the correct option is the option A, different types of bird beaks. Okay, we talk about the different type of beaks of a bird. Yeah. Okay, now we have the number 2. A sparrow have, okay, long, thick beaks, short, thick beaks, or short, thick beaks. And in this case, sparrows have, okay, what is the correct option? In this case is, okay, short, thick beak. This one is the correct option. Okay, number 3. What do eagles like to eat? Okay, small ants, small seeds, or small animals. Okay, in this case, the eagles like to eat small animals like rats, rabbits, okay, or other kind of animals. Number 4, what do herons catch fish with? In this case, okay, the correct option is long and pointed beaks, okay, because they want to have this shape in your beaks because it is necessary for catching, okay, fish. Okay, so the answer in number 4 is the letter C. Then we have the exercise B, check true or false. Okay, number 5. Sparrows use their beaks to open seed shells. True or false? In this case, the correct option is true, okay, because the sparrow use their beaks for opening the shell of a seed, and then they eat the food that is inside of the seed. Okay, number 6. Hummingbirds drink flower nectar with their long, thick beak. In this case, this one is false because the beak of a hummingbird is long, yes, but it's thin, no thick. Okay, this one is the difference. Okay, number 5 is true. Number 6 is false. Then we have the letter C. Write the correct answers. Okay, this one is the number 7, and which is each bird's beak shape different. In this case, each shape is good for eating different kind of food. I'm sorry. Okay, each shape is good for eating different kind of food. Then we have the next exercise. This is on page 65. Okay, we pass to the step number 1. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Okay, we have the words from in the box: meat, seeds, short, pointed, think, and flower. Yes. Okay, and we have the 4 kind of birds: sparrows, eagles, herons, and hummingbirds. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Let's start. Sparrows eat, okay, seeds. They like to eat seeds and have short, thick beaks. Okay, these one are the two important facts about sparrows. They eat seeds and also they have short, thick beaks. Okay, eagles. The eagles eat meat. Okay, that's meat. Eat animals. Okay, like rats or rabbits. And this is one of the fact. And the second fact is that they have hook-shaped beaks. Yes. Okay, herons eat fish and also they have long and pointed beaks. Yes, okay, the herons, they like to eat fish and they have long pointed beaks. Then we have the hummingbirds, okay? They drink flower nectar and also have long and thin beaks. Yes, drink flower nectar and have long, thin beaks. Excellent job. Okay, let's review. The first one, sparrow seeds, shorts. Okay, eagles, we complete with the word meat. Herons with complete information with the word pointed. Okay, hummingbirds with complete information with the words flower and thin. Okay, let's continue. Step number 2, we complete a summary with the words from the box. Okay, we have shapes, herons, beaks, nectar, and hawks. Okay, birds use their beaks for eating. Their beaks have different shapes. Sparrows have short, thick beaks. They eat a lot of seeds. However, eagles eat animals. Their beaks look like hooks and swallows. Herons have long and pointed beaks. They like eating fish. Hummingbirds drink flower nectar with their long, thin beaks. Each beak shape is perfect for each bird. Okay, so let's see. Now we read, okay, in order or in currents. Okay, so let's see. Birds use their beaks for eating. Their beaks have different shapes. Sparrows have short, thick beaks. They eat a lot of seed. However, eagles eat animals. Their beaks look like hooks. Herons have long, pointed beaks. They like eating fish, and hummingbirds drink flower nectar with their long, thin beaks. Each beak shape is perfect for each bird. Okay, so this one are the correct option. I consider that you complete the information, you complete step number 2. Okay, excellent job, excellent participation, and I wish you a nice week. Okay, thank you for participating a lot in this class.